fish have bones. And it's okay if you guys think it's gross, but what else do you think we might find inside of our girlfish? What do you think our girlfish is going to have inside of her?
I think it might have like the place where she lays the eggs.
Lays the eggs. Yes, since it's a girlfish, there will be eggs inside of her. That's right.
Well, you're injuring the eggs.
Pardon?
You're injuring the eggs.
I'm trying really, really hard not to. Really, really hard.
Has this fish been frozen?
No, this fish hasn't been frozen. A friend of mine that works for Fisheries and Oceans Canada, works for the government, he picked up this fish for us to be able to share this experience with you. And it's fresh from the creek up in Mission. We went out to Mission to get our fish for us.
I just saw something pink.
Yeah, you guys see the pink stuff?
At the same time.
I guess it's probably a good thing we're not having our salmon for dinner tonight, huh?
Well, we're on.
Yeah.
Oh, look. See? Just do it so you can see
It's
the
pink.
inside.
Those the eggs.
We'll see them in just a moment.
Yeah, this is eggs.
See the eggs.
Oh yeah, they're the eggs. Look at them all.
There they are.
Yeah, so we
Coming
were
into
saying
there.
before that it's a female fish.
So it stands to reason it would have eggs.
Exactly. It does stand to reason it would have eggs.
Can I like
Who did it?
Alright.
If it was alive,
Yeah,
that
it
would, if it was alive, it would.
Whoa.
It would probably,
Oh, see?
she probably wouldn't be able to cut into it because it would be strong.
Exactly.
Flopping everywhere. The eggs
They
are
don't
floating
think
out.
eggs.
Yeah, they are. Alright.
It's blue.
So that is inside of our coho salmon. Our girl coho salmon, right?
Hey,
We were
look,
talking
there's the
about the
liver.
eggs before.
It's the liver.
See the
It's that
liver?
brown dark spot.
Yeah.
You're right, it is. Good job. So there are our beautiful eggs.
They actually look pretty.
They do look pretty. I agree. I agree. So she
There's
has,
a second one.
that's right, she has two sides. On both sides of her body she has eggs. The blue is just because the way it's just the skin with the light. So we'll just put her eggs over there. Did you get a good picture there, Nick? I'm recording. Alright. Alright, so there's inside of our fish. Isn't that cool? Everyone has a good view of that. So what kinds of parts did we say we'd have in here? You guys had mentioned the liver. Absolutely. That's this great big brown one here. Just like us, we have great big livers, and the fish has great big livers. Does anyone know what the liver is for?
It's
The
for
liver does? Go ahead.
Isn't it for like this watery stuff that oh, I forgot what it's called.
Anyone else? Should livers for? Go ahead.
I think it might be for trying to keep the blood clean.
Nice, yes. The liver helps clean out the blood. That's right. And of course, the fish does have a lot of blood.
Also, would be able to live.
Exactly. So we're just going to take the liver out so we can see some other parts inside of them. So there's his liver.
What the heck is that white stuff?
The white stuff. Interesting. Okay, let's find some other. We're just going to put this guy here keeps trying to get away from me. This here is the spleen. Spleen. Isn't that cool? This holds on to a whole bunch of red blood cells just in case the fish gets injured in some way, and then this is an extra supply of blood for the fish. That's his spleen. That's pretty cool. Now somebody asked about what the white stuff is. This white part here? Well, this white part here is connected to his mouth. Any thoughts? If that's connected to his mouth, the white, go ahead.
Stomach.
Stomach, yes. The fish has a long, long, long stomach here. Long stomach that he gets all of his food in. And then, go ahead.
Almost like the intestines.
You're right, yes. This part here is his intestine. It doesn't really look like our intestines. Sorry, I'll get my gloves out of the way here. It doesn't really look like our small intestine. And the fish's intestine is called the pyloric caecae. Pyloric caecae. Can everyone say that?
The pyloric caecae.
Oh yeah. Good job, guys. Good job. Yeah, so that's part of his digestive system. So when he eats his food, he has that. That's kind of cool,
There's
eh?
even more eggs.
There are even more eggs. After the stomach and going through the pyloric caecae, it of course goes down through the large intestine, and then he poops out.
What's left?
Exactly. Now then, we'd mentioned the blood before, right? The liver's for cleaning the blood. There's another body part that helps clean the blood. Do you know what other organ cleans the blood? Any ideas?
Stomach.
The stomach is where his food goes, but there's one more. Go ahead.
The heart.
We have the heart. The heart is what pumps all of the blood through the body. But in the fish we have, or in us and in the fish we have a kidney. Now we have two kidneys, two like bean-like kidneys, but the fish, his kidney is this great big long black line in the back here. That's the fish's kidney back there. Fish's kidney. But now you mentioned the heart, right? Now the heart, our heart, what body parts, do you know, or sorry, what organ is close to our heart? Kind of even surrounds our heart. What organ? Go ahead.
Lungs.
The lungs, yes, and that's because our heart has to pump the blood to our lungs before it pumps it through our body. And this fish, what do you guys remember? Which body part is like our lungs? Which body part's like our lungs in the fish?
Gills.
The gills, that's right. So under the operculum are the fish's gills. Remember we were talking about the gills? And so right near the gills is the fish's heart. Did you guys see this in here? Whoa, whoa, it's kind of slimy in there. Woo! This right here is the fish's heart. So his heart pumps all of the blood through his gills and then pumps it through his body so that he can live and swim around. Isn't that cool?
Once me and my friend, her dad was like doing a fish, and then
Yeah.
he gave her the heart, and the heart was still pumping.
Oh, that's really weird. Alrighty. So there's our heart. Operculum. Alright.
That's a little heart.
Isn't that pretty cool? That is tiny heart, yeah.
Oh, like,
But it's pretty small because it's a pretty small animal. Your heart is only about the size of your fist. That's how big your heart is.
I know how to see how big your brain is.
Is that how big your brain is? Awesome. Very cool. Do you guys have any other questions about the organs? No? Alright, so the other parts of the body that we have, that we have and the fish have, are our bones. So the fish has lots of bones. So these would be like his ribs over here.
Are those like the veins, kind of?
And these are all his veins, the dark lines. Yeah, those are his veins, which the heart pumps the blood through.
They look like veins.
Absolutely. Alright, so there's our fish. It's pretty cool. Is that neat? You like that? You like that? Now then, would anyone like to be able to touch some of the eggs? Yeah? Yeah, some people would like to. Alright, but we're not going to touch them with our hands.
No.
Yeah, we're gonna need gloves.
We're going to need some gloves.
Okay,
Absolutely.
then yeah, I will.
Then yeah, you will? Excellent, excellent. Now